Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds f and sh. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the sh sound in the word she. She, she. Now the f sound in the word fee. Fee, fee. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Did she pay the fee? Did she pay the fee? Did she pay the fee? Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!